Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. We've got a 2014 Pete factory built 389 glider Kit Daycab to show you. Built with a 12.7 Detroit, 13 speed, full lockers. It's only got 568,000 original miles. It's also had a fresh in-frame done right before we bought the truck. I've gotten it hot here this afternoon. I'm going to do a full walk around, show you blow by, finish up with the interior oil pressure. Let's go ahead and get started. Southern truck, so there's no rust. Body and paint's immaculate on this one. Got a dent on the back side of the fuel tank on the bottom there. Really sit up on the high side, but it's definitely there. Back of the cab's good and clean, no dings. Air slide fifth wheel. All aluminum wheels. Brakes. Air track suspension. The dent on the back side of this one as well, on the top side. Only blemish is it all a little bit right there, right below the door. Interior is nice and clean. Seats are in good shape. Extra gauges. There's your locker switches. No warnings. Good low side oil pressure. Super smooth through the RPMs. Oil pressure jumps up there great as well. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.